Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Exam-Alifain Fadilah FAJAR. I'm from University of Jember. Today, we will discuss about developing and selecting slope stabilization technique in managing slope value. This material is divided into four. First, background. Second, methodology. Third, result. And fourth is conclusion. First is background. Valid slope and rockfall even within Jalan Lintas Sumatera Highway cause significant hazard for road user, including road accident, transportation delay, and disruption. In order to reduce and control the hazard, fair slope stabilization techniques are in need to propose in systematic procedure. In practice, more than 100 of slope prone to fail are exist within the highway selection. Hence, a decision support framework is needed to take place for effective slope stabilization under budget constraints. Second is methodology. It is divided into four. First, preliminary survey. Second, detailed rating. Third, managing rockfall hazard costs. And fourth, design criteria to remedy slope. First is preliminary survey. The purpose of this preliminary survey is to gather specific information on where slope or rockfall sites are located, estimating initial slope or rockfall hazard rating, and to estimate to what extent of the rockfall problem may impose hazard to road user. Second, detailed rating. Based on FAJAR-191903103049, 1993, various parameters are estimated to identify slope hazard. They are encompassing 12 parameters, but only 9 parameters are used. First, slope height. Second, ditch. Third, apparent vehicle risks. Fourth, percent decision site distance. Fifth, highway width. 6. Geological character. 7. Block size or volume. 8. Climate and presence of water on slope. 9. Historical rockfall activity at site. Third, managing rockfall hazard cost. A value engineering approach incorporated risk framework and economic point of view. Value engineering suggests a reduction of hazard factor to an acceptable level while minimizing risk by remedy slope. Then approach consider a balance between slope stabilization costs and its risk hazard. Based on asset management set point, the key word in rockfall hazard management are highway user safety, cost effective, and reliability of control measure. Third is result. Data analysis. This risk slope were then further investigation to calculate the RHRS score. Based on 12 parameters above, it was summarized that there are two main groups of slope. One is very high risk hazard, and two is high risk hazard slope. Very high risk hazard slope considered to have RHRS score of more than 275 points and high risk one less than 275 but no less than 180. 4. Design criteria to remedy slope. This may depend on the type of geological slope, length, slope height, rockfall of erosion history, and type of design criteria. Various design option criteria may remedy slope prone to rockfall or erosion have been identified. Alternative technique to remedy slope hazard. Firstly, the slope hazard to scale to normally ingredient into 3 levels. Then define 3 remedy alternatives such as alternative 1, combination of retaining wall and drainage. Alternative 2, combination of shotcrete and drainage. Alternative 3, combination of slope screening and drainage, and alternative 4, combination of gates, fence, and drainage. This is the estimate cost has been calculated. Rockfall mitigation cost estimate analysis for 7 slope. This paper simulated 7 risk slope to consider remedying using combination of catch fence structure and drainage, retaining wall and drainage, and gabion structure and drainage. The smaller risk cost of the slope, the more likely it is to consider to remedy. Fourth, conclusion. It was identified 109 step slope prone to erosion and rockfall even across highway selection in 4 provinces in Sumatra Island, Indonesia. 12 factors contribute to RHRS score were also identified: slope height, distance, highway width, average vehicle risk, block size, and rockfall history. The RMGE put into account the technical and economic aspect of slope condition for managing rockfall hazard, in order to address issue of highway safety in a systematic procedure as well as of efficient in use of limited budget. The question is, what is the purpose of detail rating? The answer is, the purpose of detail rating is to score numerically differentiate the relative risk hazard at the identified site along 837 km highway selection in Sumatra Island. Once they are rated, the slope can be sorted and prioritized based on their score. Okay, Let's end today's presentation with this quote from Francis Bacon that say, "Knowledge is power." And I would like to thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has given us new insight. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.